And here's my X account. And if you guys are on there, definitely give me a follow. And I want to share some fantastic trades right here. And I'm still holding this one right here. Target, a couple days ago, they had earnings. There was a massive drop. And you can see how early I actually picked up 400 shares. And today, that thing is up massively. I think it was 131, 132. And it might go up even more. So that is one trade right here, still holding my shares. Now, here's another one on actually on and you can see right here when I call it on the 18th, 9:28 a.m., pretty much right before earnings, picked up shares. And now today, it's, what was it? Almost 73. I sold at 71. So this was another nice trade. Now, a lot of people nowadays, they just play one way. Well, not here, guys. Here's another one. A lot of people actually missed out. SPY calls strike 600. If you look at my screen, when I called it on the 15th, 10:49 a.m. And what happened today? We all know. We saw that 600. And if you go and match the time with the date, you will see that at that time, SPY was sitting at 586. So all these trade ideas are available on my Patreon right now if you join, and then I'll be running a special on Thanksgiving and on Black Friday. So if you're looking for that, wait for it. It's going to be coming out possibly Tuesday or Wednesday, and you can join and get a better deal. Welcome back, everybody. So this is gonna be a quick update video for you guys on DJT Trump Media and Technology Group. So before we get started, please smash that like button, and 150 likes on this video would be greatly appreciated, guys. And if you're new here, consider subscribing. Now, if you want to support the channel, especially if you want to get all my daily trade ideas, swing trade ideas, and not only DJT ideas, all kinds of setups, definitely check out their link down below in the description for Patreon. And now let's get right into it. So not much really happening on DJT, and we're just coiling up here and waiting for that big move back up to the upside. Now, if you look at my screen, we had this bullish looking candle and then pretty much just trading inside this candle. So no decision here is made on DJT. And if you look at my screen, doji, then we got this one, this doji, another doji, and now today another one, pretty much going absolutely flat on the day. Now, I think things will happen if this thing can actually hold over this 50-day moving average, which is rising right now, and it's sitting near $27. Now, we do have support at 28.88, and now we also have support from this red line, 50-day moving average, near 27. So there will be a strong level of support right here. On any given day, we get a pullback here. Now, if this thing somehow breaks over these moving averages, and especially breaks over this 20-day, that means what? It's trading above all these moving averages. And we all know that any stock that is in the market trading over all the moving averages, especially on the daily time frame, that is technically bullish. And we might see that move easily up to $40. And over that, this thing can pump even more. And we can talk about it in another video. But right now, nothing really happening. And I think the catalyst is not done yet, guys. And that is why these updates will come out. You can see low, really low volume stock, nothing really going on. And we're just waiting for Trump to take, the office back and, get this man back in the office. And that is when I think we will see a lot more catalyst and a lot more other things, coming out. And who knows, maybe going into that, event where he actually takes office, where this thing can actually get a big ballistic move to the upside. And that is why when people that are actually sleeping on it and saying, oh, this is it might be done, it's not going up, well, let's just buy $5 puts on it. Well, do not sleep on this stock because it can come right back up. And if it does, and if you are actually holding, long puts and just holding and thinking about holding it, just because this thing is not making a move, it can actually make a big move. We're just waiting for some catalyst, something really good, and we might see that explosion right here on DJT. So as a support, you need to watch this critical level 28.88 underneath that level to make things even right here. 50-day moving average, I would say 27, and then we also have support at 25. And then we have lower Bollinger Band, which is actually moving up now, sitting at 22. So I'm not expecting a big dump unless there is a really bad catalyst waiting out there, that's going to come out very soon. In that case, yes, we might see that big drop. Otherwise, nothing really bad happening. you know, Trump actually picking his people for the cabinet, and I think it's really good right now. Going into that event when he takes office, and this thing should be flying with Trump if we get some sort of good catalyst, here on DJT. So if you're holding, I would say hold it. It's holding up pretty nicely right here and just consolidating. So we're just waiting on some big news, some big volume to come in, and then you will see shorts getting squeezed out, just like we saw before many times on DJT. And this thing will be popping again back up to the upside. Let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section, and I'll definitely keep you guys updated as I did for last 2.5 years on this stock, and I'll be doing it even more.